Alright, so I have Auto Shade Silver Atlas Adjustable Universal Sun Visor, or sunshade that you put in your car right here. I got this right here because the one that I had broke, and so I now have a new sunshade. This is a foldable sunshade right here that can block the sun from coming through the windshield. So right here it says that it is, and it says, I can't read French, it says, oh, keep your vehicle surface up to 44 degrees cooler or 25 degrees Celsius cooler. It says, protects interior with double-sided bubble material, blocks damaging UV rays right here. So I'm going to open this up. It's just one piece right here. Just going to go take this off. You can see this right here. It comes with a strap right here that is sewn in, and it has a double-sided right here. So I'm just going to put this into place right here. It actually comes with a divot, so it goes underneath the, there you go, something like that. Blocks the windshield right here. Put this right here. So it goes into place. It blocks the sun from damaging the windshield. If your windshield's too small, like mine is right here, you can actually fold some of the sides, and it holds into place right like that. Perhaps put the sun visor down. It holds it into place right there to keep the sun from heating up the vehicle, damaging the car, perhaps the dashboard, keep it from fading, whatnot. It looks pretty cool. So that is the Auto Shade Silver Atlas Universal Fit Sun Blocker for your vehicle. Shade side, post lateral. I don't know what they're talking about. There's other products that they're selling right here. But it's pretty cool, works out well, and that's the sunshade for the vehicle. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.